Compass direction. Secrets for career success. Feeling stuck in your career? Sending resumes, networking like crazy, but nothing moves forward? What if I told you there's an ancient Feng Shui secret, your career compass direction, that could be the missing link to your dream job and financial success? Stay tuned, because today I'm revealing Feng Shui remedy, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to activate the compass direction that boosts your career. Most people think career success is just about LinkedIn profiles, resumes, or endless networking. But Feng Shui teaches something powerful. The energy flow in your environment shapes your opportunities, and the compass direction linked to your career can either open doors or keep you stuck. Let's decode that. Here's the secret. In Feng Shui, the north direction is tied to career and life path energy. Aligning your work desk, office chair, or even a vision board with this direction activates your career chai. Quick action step. Activate the career area. Use water element. Mirrors, flowing water artwork, rivers, ocean, streams. Place symbols of your target company role to call in that path. Use metal elements that supports the water element. Gray, white, round shapes, metal frames. Sit so you face north while working, or place a career symbol like a crystal globe in the north of your office. Be careful. Clutter, broken electronics, or sharp objects in the north can actually block your career flow. Instead, power it up with elements like a healthy green plant, growth energy, a crystal globe, expansion energy, metal accents like silver or gold, focus and clarity. One of my clients was struggling at work despite all efforts. We simply reoriented her desk toward the north and placed a career crystal there. Within 3 months, she got a promotion and her confidence skyrocketed. That's the power of aligning with your career compass. Sit in command. Place the desk diagonally facing the door, not in line with it. Symbolizes control and supports confident decision-making. Turn your desk so you can see the entrance without being in line with it. Avoid facing a wall. Narrow vision, stagnant momentum. A larger, supportive office hour zone boosts leadership energy. Remove old energy and clutter. Make space for the new. Retire outdated titles, business cards, and stale project notes. Clear unnecessary items to reduce visual noise. Sharper focus, more creativity. Invite natural energy. Work near a window if possible. Add healthy plants to signal growth and vitality. Use intentional colors. Looking to boost your professional growth? Introduce royal blue into your surroundings. This shade is often linked with insight, reliability, and inner strength. In Feng Shui, royal blue supports clarity, concentration, and a purposeful mindset, qualities that fuel advancement in your career. Its calming nature eases tension and worry, creating a steady atmosphere where productivity naturally improves. You can weave royal blue into your workplace with small details like paintings, decorative pieces, or lamps. These subtle accents shift the room's energy without being overpowering, helping you stay aligned with progress and achievement all day long. You can also bring in green, a shade deeply connected with growth, renewal, and abundance. In Feng Shui, green symbolizes fresh opportunities, steady progress, and the flourishing of ideas, just like plants that thrive when nurtured. It carries the energy of expansion, helping you attract prosperity, new beginnings, and long-term stability in your career. Adding green to your workspace through plants, cushions, wall art, or even desk accessories creates a refreshing atmosphere that encourages creativity and balance. Each glance at this color serves as a gentle reminder to stay open to growth and welcome abundance into your professional journey. Choose accents that match your career goals. For leadership and recognition, the south direction works too. That's linked with fame and reputation chi. Use fire element. Red accents, warm lighting, candles, figurative art, or plants. Wood feeds fire. Enhance helpful people, networking area. Northwest direction. Use metal and earth elements. Add images, symbols of mentors, past career successes, or people you aspire to connect with. It's not about moving mountains. It's about small shifts. Place a flowing water feature or a black-blue accent in the north to strengthen career chi. Hang your degrees or certificates on the south wall to boost reputation and growth. Let's recap. 1. Face north for career growth, south for recognition. 2. Use water, metal, and plants to energize those sectors. 3. Remove clutter or broken items blocking the flow. Do this, and you'll start to see real shifts in your career opportunities. Your compass isn't just a tool for direction. It's a tool for success. And if you want to go deeper, check out my playlist on Feng Shui career boosters. I'll link it right here on the screen. Next week, I'm covering the advanced method of personal Kua numbers to fine-tune your best directions. You don't want to miss it. Drop in the comments. What's your #1 career goal for 2025? Let's manifest it together. And remember, when your space flows, your life grows.